noticed some rust. As you can see, there's some rust on the stand. There's probably some on the underside of the stand. I'm not too sure how that section there rusted, but anyway, that's what's happened. And we've got some rust on this section here where the linkage screws on, bolts on. So what I've noticed, I probably need to look around and see if I can pick up more stuff. Got this product from CRC that's called the rust converter. So I'm going to give this bike a good clean up, dry it off, and get the rust converter a spray on, and then touch it up with some paint. So it's all been cleaned, degreased, scrubbed down. Used a penetrating lube to get this place in rust first, and then use a chain cleaner, clean it all up. So as you can see, there's actually quite a bit of rust that was hidden behind all the dirt. So now we'll just prep and mask stuff up and spray on some CRC rust water. So there we go. My favorite kind of masking is newspaper. Using through. It's probably going to be a bit of a challenge spraying this one here, but we'll figure it out. CRC rust converter. So that's a rear rack plate. Got some marine grade aluminium. Drew it out on coral into a DWG format and sent across to a water jet cutter. So it's being cut out. Don't like the way it looks. So got some carbon fiber film that I'm going to put onto it, and hopefully it looks as good as I think it will. There we have it. Bit of a struggle, not the neatest job I've done. It's a carbon fiber over plate. Looks pretty good at certain angles. Not too sure if it's going to provide any grip of any sort, but it looks better than bare aluminium. I've got some flat black color, oil-based enamel to seal it all in. Let it dry for a bit. I'll do the underneath as well, and then put on a second. And that's the other area there touched up. You can see such a huge difference from what it was and now. One coat on there dried a little bit. We'll wait a little longer and put on the second coat, and yeah, that'll be all done.